the problem is so huge that it's out of control, and the suffering is tremendous. There's no food, there's no water, so animals feed on each other. It's just a horrible, horrible situation in Mexico. And that is why we decided to help down there, because the animals have no hope other than us. And we can't save them all, but running these 3 programs, which is a spay and neuter, humane euthanasia, and rescuing little animals like Daisy. Daisy was just rescued. We can make a difference.
The most rewarding part of all this is to take an animal in those conditions and bring him back to health with good food, medical attention, and find him a good home, a forever home, and people that know the past, their past, and that they don't care. They're actually happy to adopt a dog that has been through a lot, and we find great people out there.
We need your help to continue this work.